So we started out about 4 weeks ago pulling this Maserati 4200 2004 model apart. After driving through a puddle and no doubt causing lots of expensive damage to the engine. After the insurance payouts, the car, we bought it back for £2,700. And in the last little update we did, I think we had made £1,185 out of the parts that we'd sold. Things like headlights and a few of the odds and sods. So since then, 3 weeks on, we've been pulling out various parts of the car and listing them on eBay as we go, as well as on Facebook Marketplace, all that kind of good stuff. Hit a bit of a milestone, so I thought I'd do another little quick update. So we'll just run through what we've sold to date. So the control arms, I've kind of given them away basically. £1,000 for all 8 of them. I was told I was a muppet, which is quite true. They do sell for pretty serious money, it seems. There was an upper trim for the engine that sold, £35. Passenger door lock mechanism, we'd already got rid of the driver's door lock mechanism, so that went for £45. The speaker covers off for a tenner. The wheels and tyres, the alloys, they're in pretty good condition. Tyres a little bit old, but lots of bite on them, so yeah, £800 for those. All 4 of the shock absorbers, £450 for those. The exhaust back boxes, so I'd already sold the original genuine back boxes, but I had some what turns out were Larini, very early Larini back boxes on this thing. So they went for £500, the same guy that bought the wheels and shocks actually. The driver's door airbag has gone off to Holland, I believe, for £80. The front seats, met a very nice chap called Graham, dropped off the seats for him. He had both front seats from me for his convertible Spider version of one of these. He had kind of a creamish interior, so the leather was looking a bit cracked and a bit dirty, so swapped out for the plain black seats that were in mine, so happy days. 3 of the boot trim panels, so the main carpet floor and the 2 side panels for £200. And finally a spare wheel cover, just there, just about to ship it off. That's also sold for £50. So total, so that lot that we've sold in the last few weeks totals up to £3,995. Add to that the £1,185 that we sold last time, and we are at a grand total so far of £5,180. Yeah, £5,180, which to me feels pretty decent considering the many boxes full of bits of Maserati that I've still got here to sell. The gearbox is dropped and out from we did that on a live stream last week. I've got the torque tube to remove, and then we'll be working our way forwards. And then next up, it'll be dropping the engine out of this thing on the subframe, lowering it down, and then lifting the shell of the car up over the top of it somehow. I just do not know how. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please hit like, hit subscribe if you've not already, and more coming soon. Thanks.